Hi, I am at the exocad booth. I've got a lot of smiling people around me, a lot of nice smiles on the screens behind me. And it's a special one because exocad has been around for 50 years. Congratulations.
Thank you, Ben. Much appreciated.
It's a pleasure to stand here next to CEO, co-founder of exocad, Tillmann Steinbrecher. Now, Till, tell me, it's a special event for you. Of course, tell me about the 15 years, but also about your highlights for this IDS.
Well, I mean, the 15 years, it was a wild journey. We started with just 3 people, and we've grown over those years. And it's really, looking back on it, it's been really a fantastic journey, and so many fantastic people I met in this time, and we grew all together. Yeah, and we still have the full innovation spirit. We have exciting things to show. So I'm more excited about the future than ever before.
And what are the key focuses you've had on this time with the technology?
Well, it's all about automation. So basically, we already have a very comprehensive solution. Now it's a lot about efficiency and enabling interdisciplinary collaboration. And let me elaborate on that. So obviously, right now, everybody's talking about AI. We're delivering the product, so AI-based design suggestions for single unit crowns are on the market now. And this is something obviously we're excited about, simply because it enables labs to be more efficient, while at the same time allowing them to still be in the driver's seat. The way we leverage AI is that we make sure that the technician or the dentist using the product still can deliver exactly what he or she has in mind and has full control over the result. Then, of course, when it comes to AI, visualization is an important factor. We see the videos in the back. I don't know if it's visible on the video. So with AI technology, we enable realistic visualization in the form of a video based on the exact setup the dental technician or the dentist has made in a highly automated way and in a way that is very emotionally engaging. It's a realistic preview ahead of the treatment.
So that's a hell of a lot of innovation. How does manufacturing technology and collaborations such as the ones we have fit into that?
Well, being a provider of an open platform, of course, we rely heavily on partnerships to enable an open ecosystem. And specifically with zirconia, but also other materials, milling is so important, and we see innovation in milling. And of course, the tool path calculation is an important aspect of that. So, and also what is an extremely important aspect in our collaboration is that we're dealing with technology that is fairly complex, but the operators, they're not CNC engineers. They're people who have a clinical background and or who are focused on aesthetics and many other things. And through these collaborations, we can offer high technology, advanced technology in a way that is very accessible to the user and easy to use.
Interesting. I mean, when you focus on the people in digital dentistry and giving them what they want, I mean, you've outlined what you've got here. Tell me about how you see the future of digital dentistry in the next year. I mean, have you seen anything IDS where you're seeing the journey? Like, paint a bit about what you're observing and what really you think is going to happen in the next year or two.
So the automation journey will continue. That is something we see across the board. Then we will be able to leverage more elaborate visualization tools. AI-assisted diagnostics will continue to be an important aspect. And what I'm particularly passionate about is comprehensive dentistry. So let's not just look at one aspect of dentistry at a time. Let's not just look, this is implantology, this is orthodontics, this is restorative care. No, let's look at comprehensive dentistry. And for example, if you're a dental technician planning a case, let's say a smile makeover, sometimes you think, hey, if I could just move that tooth of the patient a little bit, I could get such a better result. Like, everything would be less invasive, and that's basically the thing we're passionate about. Let's bring together tooth alignment with restorative care. Let's move teeth instead of removing tooth mass, and that, of course, requires the appropriate technologies and tools.
I mean, you know ModuWorks' background as a global leader in manufacturing, obviously from not just digital dentistry outside there. When you talk about, let's say, simplifying all the treatment aspects, like how does manufacturing technology and, let's say, ModuWorks as a partner fit into that future you're seeing? Is there anything which really stands out where you think, okay, this is where we need the support of manufacturing companies?
Well, I mean, traditionally, the whole CAD/CAM industry, the innovation has been driven by manufacturing technology. When initially CAD/CAM took off, it was not necessarily because it's easy to use, because it wasn't back then, but it was because people wanted zirconia and that needed to be milled. So, but now we're in the phase still where innovation is driven by manufacturing technology. Whenever a new manufacturing technology comes out, we have to provide the software tools to fully leverage that technology. And in order to make that, as I said earlier, as accessible and as easy as possible, we need these collaborations.
Yeah. I think one of the things which is interesting is making technology accessible. I think accessibility and collaboration, and these are key aspects which ModuWorks finds, because we're dependent on partnerships. If we didn't have partnerships, our technology wouldn't be implemented, it wouldn't be used. So thank you very much for the insight. Yeah. Tell me, if anybody wants to learn more about exocad, where should they find out that after the show?
Well, during IDS, obviously you can come here, but you asked about after the show. Follow us on social media, visit our websites, visit our events. So exocad Insights is our big event next year. You can also find more about that on the exocad website. In Palma de Mallorca, again, large event with a top speaker from the industry, and we showcase the latest innovation there.
I'll take the exocad Insights one because we'll be there as well. So
right,
pleasure
wonderful.
to be you there. Thank you very much, Till. Have a great remainder of the show.
Much appreciated.